Hi, Nick from Technica here. When we found out I was working from home, I thought this room really needs to sound better. I'm going to do some funky patterns. So I've got some Artnovion panels. They're absorption panels. Here's a video to show you how easy it is to install. Today I'm going to put some Myriad panels up on the wall, and we're going to hopefully make a difference to this room and the way it sounds. I've gone for two sizes, a 30 by 30 Myriad and a 60 by 30 Myriad. So we're going to do some funky patterns on the walls. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you've got any questions about the product, please leave in the comments below.